we are actually in the ClickBank kitchen because today we are going to be talking about our top 5 cooking offers. This is the time of year that supplements and a lot of other health offers don't work quite as well, but the ones that do are cooking offers. Because you might be wondering how Santa got that jolly belly full of jelly. It was because of cooking and all the cooking that people are doing. They want healthy alternatives, and those conversions really do well. It's also one of the only health offers, if you have a physical cookbook, that actually makes a great gift to give to somebody else, especially if you're a mother-in-law and you don't really like your daughter-in-law. Give her a healthy cookbook. It's a guaranteed win. So let's start off with number 5. It's the 1-month vegan challenge. So this is just a 28-day meal plan to give you all the vegan things you need to jump into that diet. So you might not be aware that vegan is still a trending diet topic. In fact, it's more than vegetarianism. It's even starting to get more than keto and things like that. So it's a perfect time to add this offer, which makes vegan really easy to get started with, and it's a good time to do that, especially if you want a whole family to convert over. The other thing that's great about this offer is it's a challenge. Challenge provide a finite time for people to go through and do that change, and makes it seem easier, which really boosts the conversions. You can expect on average about a $19 payout and some change to go along with that. The other great thing about this offer is you could promote it anywhere. So it doesn't matter if you're a media buyer, if you're doing email lists, content marketing, social, wherever. If you have an audience that might be interested in cooking or going vegan, this is gonna be the perfect cooking offer for you. So coming again at number 4, we actually have keto breads and keto desserts. This is a fantastic offer that does well every single season, especially given that keto is still one of the most popular diets in America. And on top of that, we all love our carbs. We have a real love-hate relationship. I think everyone has a toxic relationship with their carbs, and this is gonna provide delicious, easy recipes that has bread, desserts, all the carbs we think we have to avoid, but they're gonna give us a way to enjoy them, make them tasty, and not have all those side effects. So when you hit into January, you don't have a January bloat, you could just January float and enjoy everything that goes along with it. On top of that, not only is this offer gonna be a great converter, it's gonna be good for all sorts of different traffic sources, especially email. This thing kills on email if you have an email list towards your health and fitness audiences, primo during these next couple months to advertise. With an average payout of $22.28, this is gonna be a fantastic offer for you to be able to promote to your audience, primarily through email, but it could be good on blog content, some social, and really almost any traffic source, just like number 5. Oh, hey there. Sorry, I'm just showing another delicious treat from the ClickBank break room. But if you love this content, please smash that like button so we can keep making some great stuff for you. See ya. Coming in at number 3, we have the plant-based recipe cookbook. So guys, I'm not sure if you're aware, but there's been a 600% increase in the amount of times of people that used to do vegan diet that have tried the vegan diet in the last couple years. So all that really means is this continues to be an incredibly hot topic and item where people wanna remove the meat, remove all that stuff away from their diets and see what it feels like to have things be plant-based. But we know that creates a bunch of cooking challenges, which is why they have this great offer with over 100 different recipes, a 30-day meal guide, and conversion rates, which you really care about, which aren't lacking in meat. They have almost a 1.5% conversion rate to cold traffic and an average payout a little bit south of $20. So again, really, really good payouts during the best times to be launching a product like this. You could even expect maybe higher conversions during these next couple months, and it's on a hot trending topic. This also gives me great to health and fitness lists, blogs. I noticed to say at those price points, you might not be okay with maybe native, but the conversion rates are high enough that it would be something I would even test out on your socials and maybe some paid media. So for number 2, we have keto resources. So this is actually a cookbook that comes from one of our top offer owners, a great copywriter, and has been around for a couple of years now, producing amazingly, especially this time of year. Not only does Keto Resources give you 4 different offers to choose from, but they pay on average $1 million out to affiliates every single month. There are so many ways for you to have amazing offers that are gonna be for your 35 to 60-year-old, 5-year-old women. They're looking to lose weight, they want low carb, they want maybe plant-based, whatever it might be. They're gonna have all sorts of different options to lose weight, cook great, and make sure they impress everyone in the process. So this is a fantastic offer with average payouts around $29.28. This is one of the higher paying cookbook offers that we have out there, and definitely one of the top converters. Coming in at number 1, last but definitely not least, is actually from the Truth About Abs, creating the Fat Burning Kitchen. So if you're not familiar with Truth About Abs, they're one of the biggest digital creators and info creators out there. They've been consistently a top producer for us for gosh, probably a decade now, and this book is no exception. This has been a consistent offer, not during Q4, it does great throughout all the year, but during Q4, that is its time to shine. This offer is going to give all sorts of great recipes, great content, and also great conversions and great payouts. This is actually the highest paying cookbook that we have in our marketplace at $32.32. It boasts a really, really healthy conversion rate. And on top of that, you're also going to get potentially commissions of upwards of 90%. So with large payouts, larger commissions you're getting anywhere else, and a killer conversion rate, this thing is just built for this season. You can promote it anywhere, but definitely on your email list, which is where it's tested, tried, true, and proven. If you have a health and fitness list, you would be silly not to try the Fat Burning Kitchen this holiday as our #1 cookbook offer. Enjoy, be safe out there, eat a lot of turkey, and we will see you next time.